Okay guys, welcome to another Some Guys Productions. Alright, today on the agenda is obviously iPhone 3.0 OS. So we're going to talk more about the features of this and how well it runs with about 100 apps. So see you in a bit.
Join me for a ride, speed up the music, join me for a ride, maximum overdrive, join me for a ride, speed up the music, join me for a ride, maximum overdrive.
Alright guys, alright, we have the iPhone 3G. Alright, this was got pretty much, I got this iPhone 3G, if you remember one of my videos back when 2.0 was just out. I got this the minute July 11th was here in the pretty much here in Australia, which means we were the second country in the entire world to get the iPhone 3G. And yes, Australia was the second country in the world, and yes, we did get it before America, which was the proudest day of our lives, that's for sure. To get the iPhone 3G and rub it in the Americans' face is just brilliant. But anyway, let's discuss this. Since then, I've had over 100 apps on here at some point. I think it's just under 100 apps at the moment. So let's discuss what it is. At the moment, this is running very fast. Considering with all the stuff on here, this update was brilliant. This phone itself, iPhone 3G, it used to be a jailbroken phone. Used to have all this stuff on here. Now because of 3.0, I don't need to. Now the video capabilities, obviously, that's gone from my jailbroken phone because I'm up at 3.0 official software. But I really didn't use it, so I really don't care. Anyway. So this is an iPhone 3G 16 gig. Alright, MMS, here we go. Here's something in. Telstra, pretty much as soon as I activated this, Telstra pretty much sent through an MMS straight away, as you can see. Yep. Brilliant. Right, so yeah, that's MMS there. You can also click on it and it brings it up in big screen. But yeah. So Telstra have done a good job there. They've tested that straight away. Menu system. If we look at the menu system here, you'll find in 3.0 that messages, MMS messaging, you can turn it off and on, so you don't need to actually set it up, it automatically will happen. Being in Australia, every carrier has MMS, and they've had MMS for ages. I'm very shocked that America are only just catching on to MMS, and it's really funny to, in Australia we have pretty much the most advanced 3G network in the world, and the fastest. So yeah, it's very funny because all the phones here are pretty much got all these other standard features like tethering in phones, MMS and that sort of thing. We've had that for ages on phone. Brilliant thing I thought about this was also the search function. I thought that was brilliant. So if I go to Node, there we go, that's the Internode one. It shows me my usage. It's a program. I pretty much use it as Spotlight. It's just like using my Mac. It's absolutely awesome. So there's a few other features I think are brilliant. And you notice the speed of this. Like if you saw my other phone, if you saw this in 2.2.1, you'd see the difference in speed. It's bloody brilliant. Alright. Here's another feature, the voice recording thing. So yeah, it's a voice recorder. Whoop-de-doo, you can get it from the bloody App Store. You can get better ones than this even. iTunes, here's one of the other features that are from iPhone 3 6.0. So we can now go into video when it comes up. There we go. Right, so I can now download video if I wanted to, which I'm not going to, so moving on. Okay. Alright. There's other things also that I want to show you that I think is pretty awesome as well. There we go. Take this off. Alright. So, if I pick a few songs, shuffle, goes to the next song, goes to the next song. It's absolutely brilliant. Okay, that is pretty much, other than that, look, my exchange accounts there, they work perfectly, they've always have, but I don't think there's any new features as far as I know. Main thing is they've got MMS now, and they have the tethering capabilities. There are videos on tethering. I'm not going on a whole junction on how to tether your phone, but yes, it has tethering and all that sort of thing. But I'm just marveling by the fact that by installing this, I've had so much of a boost in speed, it's not funny. So yeah, this is the iPhone 3G, and yeah, it runs beautifully. Alright, here's also some other things that you might want to take into account. Alright, we'll take a page, www.apple.com. Alright, let's grab this up. Safari is supposed to work a little bit faster. The Apple page is usually a bit demanding. So when it comes up, there we go. Beautiful. Alright, and we can also go around in a circle. Or not. Oh, there we go. Okay. Alright. That's that. Other things you probably want to know about is, of course, copy and paste. So let's try something out here. Okay, I'm going to, yeah, how about this? I'm now going to grab this, select all, and copy. And now I'm going to pop into an email, mobile me account. I'll grab a new email when it's ready. Alright, and I'll have some email in there, and obviously I'm going to copy and paste this link. So to do that, I just hold down and I press paste. Simple as simple can be. Absolutely brilliant. Okay. Okay, other features you probably want to take into account that are not really that impressive, if you want to say. And I've pretty much took you through the main features of what you can do. Yeah, there are other things you can do, but yeah, these are the main things, and you know, it makes you now you don't have to jailbreak anymore. It's just brilliantly set out, and no matter what bloody applications you have in there, if you have as many as me, doesn't matter. It just works. Alright, see you next time, guys.